Kenny the repair guy here, and we have this Jupiter double horn from a school system to repair. In my opinion, the horn really needs a chemical bath, but they don't want to spend the money. It's about $250 for a chemical bath. But what I am going to do, I am going to pull all the slides and put them in the dump tank. Some of these are in there. There, all the slides are pulled, and I'll meet you over at the dump tank. You've seen us do this before. We are going to put all the slides in this basket. This is a gentle degreaser. Okay, bye. Here we are, degreased, and into the other dunk tank it goes. Bye. After careful consideration and looking over this very, very dirty horn, I have decided that I am going to do a chemical bath anyway. If they can't pay for it, I understand. I just want to do what's right because I want the instrument to work. And I want to show you guys what's involved. So the thing we have to do is take off all the old rotor string, cut it off, and take out all the rotors. So you go over to the vise here and put in this this French horn stand. Makes it so you can just work on the horn. There, and you can spin it around, and we're gonna just cut all these strings like so. And remove them. So you can see how involved this really is. And with the string disconnected, they seem to be working okay, but they need to be cleaned. And remove these caps. Now we start to disassemble these one at a time by unscrewing the top screw, like so. Give it a couple of whacks, like so. Then the back bearing comes out. And there, oh, look at that. Ugh, really dirty. Boy, it needs to be cleaned. Look at that. This is what happens when you don't maintain your horn. It's probably only a couple of years old, but they probably never oiled it, never greased it, and throw it all around and everything else. So we're going to clean it up. Bye. This is for just everybody. There's Liberty Recovery right there.
Watch out for this guy again.
You want the large one?
Watch out for him. He has some wonderful remedies over here for great prices. So just keep your eye out for him.
Keep your eye out for this expert jumper player. The horn. Hello. All right. Begin washing slides. Everything looks a lot better. All the slides are clean and all the rotors are clean, and the horn is clean. Beautiful, nice and clean. These are dent balls specialized for use on the French horn bell. A lot of you have asked me about an ultrasonic cleaner. I only use them on new instruments and not older instruments because vibrations that vibrate the solution that really clean the instrument, sometimes on old instruments it damages them. So I prefer to do it the old-fashioned way. Okay, here we go. There we go. Clean that one up. There we go. Pushing it out. Working this thing. For the next big job, assembling this French horn, sponsored by no one, I'm doing this video myself. A couple drops of oil in the casing on the rotor. Turns real well, see? A little bit of oil. A little bit on the rotor. Put a little drop, put it on like so. Tap. Just seat it in. I bet you guys are getting the idea why it costs so much to do a French horn. I just installed this little lever that makes it so you hold all the French horn levers at the same angle for stringing. Okay, now the next tricky part, stringing. And last but not least, greasing slides and putting it the rest of the way together, which is the easy part. There we go. Yeah, look at that. Sure it looks good. Oh yeah, looks great. And goes in front. Works good. Little Selma red grease.